Hello and welcome everyone, this is your friend Himal. In this video I'm gonna show you how to install and set up Ngrok in Kali Linux. Ngrok is a cross-platform application that exposes local server ports to the internet. In simple terms, it provides a publicly accessible web URL to any locally hosted application. To install Ngrok in your system, first of all you have to sign up to Ngrok. You can sign up by using Google or Git account too. First of all, verify your email address. You can see all of the instructions needed here. Ngrok is available for all the operating system. To download it you can use get command, or just simply click on download. Open the download folder, and extract it. Now, open the download folder in the terminal. Now, we have to connect Ngrok extracted in our system to our account. Use the command given in the dashboard of the Ngrok account. Now, Ngrok is operating in our system successfully. So, let's check it. Well, this error message is seen, but actually this is not an error message. We are missing web server in our system, so now we have to install it to get rid of this message. Now, the web server is activated, so let's check it again. Well, it is working perfectly. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, it means a lot to me.